Well, welcome back to my channel, Ashton Drake Love. I'm here with baby Kassie. She's just swinging away in the swing. Oh, little girl. But it's been 2-3 hours since she ate last. So I'm gonna, go and make this little girl a bottle. Okay, like I can say when Cassie's being good in the swing, make her a bottle. You get, her nighttime bottle in. I'm gonna put 3 ounces. Okay, put 3 ounces. There we go. Yeah, I don't want, I do this with all the babies. Don't want them to, get to that point where they cry. So, let's make a papa and let's feed up once she gets to that point where she cries for a bottle. Let's go feed baby Kassie. Baby Kassie? What? Listen, mommy has your papa. I know. Are you getting hungry for your papa? Are you getting hungry for your papa? Huh? Hungry to good? Yeah. She's just talking away in the swing. But no, mommy's gonna get you and feed you your papa, okay? Yeah. Don't you want to eat? Let's turn off the swing. Yes, I know. Yes. I know. Baby Kassie. What? Tell mommy about it. Really? Oh, I know, but mommy has your papa. Let's go eat, okay? Get you a bottle. Yes, go eat. We don't want baby Kassie to start crying for a papa. No, we don't. Okay, let's go eat. Okay, got her papa. Now that she's done talking away, you just having a good old time in the swing, huh? I did get a thing to put and a bib. It's the little frog bib. Are you ready for your papa? Baby Kassie? Okay, now that her bib's on, let's give her, a little bit more shaking. Okay, here you go. There you go. Yeah, I bet that tastes good, huh? Yeah. Yeah, she's just sucking away. She was having a good old time in the swing, playing with the toys, and they're just talking away. You were hungry because she didn't eat. The last time she ate was about 3 hours, 2-3 hours ago. So it was definitely time for a bottle again. Then after, she eats, I will change her, diaper and get her ready for bed. Yeah, still warm, still on the hot side. We're in the hundreds, so not good. You are hungry, girl, huh? Yeah, she's almost done. Then I give her a burp. Then you tummy aches. Oh, hi Kassie. Don't need no tummy aches, no. You're such a good girl. Yes, you are. Well, she stopped sucking. She did leave a little. So whenever they leave a little, you know they're full. So let's give her, a burp. And let's wipe a little facey here. Yeah. No. Mommy needs that. Mommy needs that. Just in case he spit up. Yeah. She's trying to take the thing. Yes. You have a good big burp for mommy or no? Good girl. That was a good one. But no, I always double check on all the babies. See if they have any more air in the tummy. You never know. No, I'm not getting another one though. No. No, she obviously doesn't have another one. She could probably get one, but now. But there goes a little spit up. Yes. Okay, well from here, but yeah, I want to change her diaper, get her, all ready for bed. It's just gonna be a onesie or undershirt. Yeah. You can tell me you're nice and full. Yeah. Okay, well this, yeah, I get her ready for bed, change her diaper, put onesie and undershirt on her, and yeah, get her ready for bed. Okay, well I laid her down. I did get this little onesie to sleep in, and of course diapers and wipes. I didn't smell no surprise, so we'll see. Let's start getting her ready for bed. And the bed will go back on for split up wise after I get her in her undershirt for bed. Did you give mommy a surprise? Huh, Kassie? Or is it just wet? Huh? Let's let mommy check. No, it's just wet. No surprise. Yeah, I didn't smell nothing when I was feeding her. But let's change this baby girl. Okay. Oh, there you go with the talking. What? What, Kassie? What's in you, girl? Are you saying you happy you got that wet diaper off? Yes. Okay. Got one arm in. Got the other. You just tucking away. She's just talking away. Yes, I know. What? I know. Mommy wants to put on the bib, okay? Here you go, night-night, okay? Okay? So spit up wise. Okay, little girl? Okay. Well, she's all done. I think I'm gonna give her a little story time. You know, sit back in the rocking chair and get her blanket, pacifier, and kind of settle her down and read her little book. Huh. Yeah. So cute. Okay. Well, it's been about 20 minutes or so later. I did dim, turn off some lights. And I got, blanket out of the swing and her pacifier that I left in the swing when I got her out to feed her. And I got her I'm gonna read her a book. I love this book. I don't know if you guys noticed. 10 apples up on top. This book is so cute. Yeah, it's not so long, it's not so thick. But my plan is from here, try to, set her down and get her to go to sleep. Huh. Yeah. But here's a blankie. Huh. And after you go night-night, mommy lay you down in the bassinet. Yeah. Here's your pacifier. You don't want it? Okay. She doesn't want it, but right here she starts, fussing. It's right there, okay? Let's read her, little story time. Huh. Yeah. You ready for the story time Mommy's gonna give you? Hey, Kassie? 10 apples up on top. Okay, let's see. There's 1 apple up on top. 2 apples up on top. Look, you. I can do it too. Look, see, I can do 3. You can do 3, but I can do more. You have 3, but I have 4. Look, see now, I can hop with 4 apples up on top, and I can hop up on a tree with 4 apples up on me. I think she's starting to get sleepy. Look here, you two. See here, you two. I can get 5 on top. Can you? I am so good, I will not stop. 5, not 6. Now 7 on top. Seven apples up on top. I am so good, they will not drop. 5, 6, 7. Fun, fun, fun. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. But see, we are as good as you. Look now, we have 7 too. And now, see here, 8 on top, 8 apples up, not one will drop. But I can do 9 and hop and drink. You cannot do this, I think. Nine is very good, but now, come on, and we will make it 10. Last page. Look, 10 apples up on top. We are not going to let them drop. You getting sleepy? That was it. That was it. Yeah. Try to get it, go night-night. Because she did look a little, on the sleepy side when I was reading the story time, so. There's the pacifier. Mommy has it right here. There you go. Yeah, she's not even cooing. She has her diaper changed, her tummy's full. She had herself a story time. Yeah, let her get some good night-night. Now lay her down in the bassinet. I think after I turned off some lights and stuff, then that kind of helped set her down. Again, she's not even talking, cooing, and an hour later, and she's out. She fell asleep. And when I was thinking about it, I took off the bib. Yeah, I don't like them to sleep with bibs. Nap time and bedtime. I'm always afraid it's gonna go around and choke them. So I always make sure the bibs come off when they go to sleep. I just keep them on a little bit longer. About an hour or so for spit up boys. You never know. She's out. It has been long enough to, lay her down. Like I said, it's been about an hour or so. So no, I think I'm enjoying this moment. The only this little ones. Yeah, but yeah, Mom needs to go lay her down in the bassinet. Yeah. Call tonight. Start all over tomorrow. No, I can't say that because when they wake up for feedings, the baby. So. But no, she's out. But wasn't that cute though? How when I came, this is after I made the bottle. When I came back to get her, she's just talking away and having a good old time in the swing. Yeah, after fixing up that top drawer, it's so much easier just, to grab when I need. I just, I went to the girls, stack. Oh, this would do. This little one, I probably put on her. But she's out. But no, yeah, let's go lay her down. Okay. Yeah, she's out. And I always have on the sides after they eat. To spit, they spit up. They don't choke on the spit up. So I always make sure on that part. Yes, the pacifier. She's out. And with it so hot, I'm gonna, cover her up though. She probably doesn't need another blanket because with it being so hot. But she's out. Let's turn on the teddy bear, and with it being nighttime, I'm gonna put on the lights. Cause during the day when you take a naps, you can't see the top of the ceiling. But she's out. I hope you enjoy her first night at home. Like this video, hit that notification bell so you don't miss a video when it gets uploaded. If you want, share any of the videos, I don't mind. But yeah, consider if you go from here, this video a thumbs up, hit the bell. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and yeah, we'll see you next time. Bye.